Okay, we have a Hyundai Wia 4-axis vertical machining center model F400, serial number G3683-1616. Machine was new in 2013. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a 39.4 by 18.1 inch table. You have a FANUC control, OIMD, 4-axis. That's 2,500 RPM. Machine has a Cat 40 Big Plus spindle that goes to 12,000 RPM.
That's 5,500.
5,500, nice and quiet.
That's like
7,000 RPM. You have a side mount tool changer, 24 tool. Machine has, there you go, we completed a tool change. All right, so the machine has coolant through spindle. You have 31.5 inches in X travel. You have 18.1 in Y, and you have 20.5 in Z. And you have the 4th-axis rotary there, which is a Sam Chully with a tailstock. FANUC motors and drives. You have also a remote jog handle. You have the chip conveyor, your coolant pumps. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.